the farm, what do we hear? A cow says moo so loud and clear. Moo, 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 moo. Can you moo like the cow does too? By the pond, what do we see? A duck goes quack so happily. Quack, 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 quack. Can you quack just like that? In the field, who do we meet? A fluffy sheep saying baa so sweet. Baa, 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 baa. Can you baa like a sheep? Hurrah! By the barn, who's that there? A waggy dog barking woof with care. Woof, 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 woof. Can you woof just like the pup? In the barn, who's taking a nap? It's a sneaky cat saying meow like that. Meow, 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 meow. Can you meow? Let's try it now. In the meadow, what do we spy? A happy horse neighing as it goes by. Neigh, 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 neigh. Can you neigh and wave goodbye? By the pond, hopping all around, a funny frog saying, ribbit, what a sound. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Can you ribbit and take a little sip? In the night, what do we hear? An owl saying hoo so loud and clear. Hoo, 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 hoo. Can you hoo like the owl does too? In the jungle, who's big and grand? An elephant trumpeting across the land. Woo, 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 woo. Can you trumpet like elephants do? Deep in the jungle, who's the king? A roaring lion, hear him sing. Roar, 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 roar. Can you roar? Let's hear some more. Rolling in mud, what do we spy? A happy pig saying like, oh my. Oink, 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 oink. Now ribbit, hoop, a woo, roar, ooh, oink, hooray. Let's sing and play another day. So many animals, what a sound. Let's sing them all as they gather around. Moo, quack, ba, woof, meow, neigh. Ribbit, hoop, a woo, roar, ooh, oink, hooray. Let's sing and play another day.